If you do, that's okay. And if you stay. Alright, I want to do that part over. If you do, that's okay. And if you stay. Do it again. If you do, that's okay. And if you stay. Alright, I think I did okay. And it's just that. So I'm thinking about putting a lower octave, and it's just that, yeah, really help it. I think we're okay. Let's play back. Every time you look at me, I'm overthinking. Yeah. Talk to me. Do it over. I'm just a little. It's just a little. Hold on. It's just a little. Every time I talk to you, I overthink it. Every time you look at me, I overthink it. It's just how my brain works, I can't really help it. Did harmony to that, let me see. Okay, she does do harmony. That's kind of interesting. Overthinking. 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 I'm in my head way too much, babe. Y'all, I think I had a dream that I did this. Like at least a couple of weeks to like a month ago. I think I had a dream that I was doing this. I was like, why am I doing that? And I didn't know what I was singing at the time. Just stuck up in my head again. Get it together. Get it together. Every time, baby. Yeah. Can't keep my head on tight. Nothing. I'm sorry for my distance. I promise that I like you. You just make me really nervous. And it's just that I'm not sure I can do this. I stutter with my words. Yeah. I can't keep my head on tight.
So Jarard did a cover of my song Overthinker. And I've been following along his process on TikTok. And that's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to talk too much because I don't want to take up too much of your time. So let's get into it.
Running from my brain, can't seem to get away from all these thoughts. And it seems like I can't move. I'm paralyzed from thinking. I get everything is ruining the feeling. Trying to pull my wings together, but my mind's always slipping.
Jarard, I'm adding this to the Billboard Spotlight. How you gonna take my song, Jarard? Lift it in the air. I mean, to heaven. This song is crazy. You gave it a whole new, feel. That neo soul feel. You bodied that. That's how covers are done. That's how you do a cover. You take it and breathe new life into it, and that's what you did with this. If y'all want to hear the original version, it's out everywhere. Overthinker, Tai Marie, Jarard. Where are you gonna put this? Somebody, we gotta listen to this. We gotta be able to have this somewhere. Clap it up. I'm out of breath. Okay, let me, because I would tell you to put it out, but I gotta talk to my team because they will look at me. I can't make any decisions without them. So I'll chat it up. I'm gonna play it for them, and I'm gonna see how they feel, cause I gotta see what they say. Yes, Tammy, if you want to hear the if you want to hear my version, then we gotta put Jarard's version somewhere. But mine is out on everywhere. It's on SoundCloud, it's on Spotify, it's on Apple Music, and you'll be able to hear like how Jarard transformed it. He transformed that mug right there. Crazy. I didn't even know it could sound like that. I didn't even know. Jarard, you killed that. You really did. I had to talk about that. That was crazy. Come on, man. That was insane. That really took me somewhere. You did that.